Arrays. So an array is a data structure. It allows us to store multiple pieces of data in one structure with one identifier. In an array, each data item must be of the same data type. If it stores integers, then all values must be integer. If it stores strings, then all values must be strings. There are two types of arrays. There are one-dimensional arrays, 1D arrays, and this is just an array that only has one index. Then there's two-dimensional arrays, and this is an array that has two indices. So let's have a look at some examples in Python of arrays. So this is an example of a 1D array. The one identifier that we use is students. It has the names of some students, and we can access an element within the array by putting one index here. So 0, 1, 2 would be Maya. A two-dimensional array we can describe as arrays within arrays. So if you notice, each array has two elements, and there are the lists within the main list. So this is the main list, and there are sub-lists within the main list. So now I can say the class list, which is the one identifier, I want to access array 0, element 0. So it will find the first array within the list, and it will find the first index. So in this case, it will return Yusuf. We can put some data into a 1D array. So this is pseudocode. Remember, in pseudocode, we use arrows for assignment. In program code, we use equals. So we're saying the array called student list, the first element, I want you to assign the value Daniel, or put the value Daniel in that array. Likewise, I can do this in program code. I can say the array called numbers, the first element, I want you to put the number 15 in that first element. We can also do the same with the 2D array, but the only difference is now, as opposed to having one index, we have a list of two indices. So 0, 0, and it can be 0, 1, and so on.